Hi, in this video we'll see how to calculate a percent change. To calculate a percent change, you can use the following formula. Percent change equals the difference between the new and the old value divided by the old value times 100%. Here's how we can implement it in Python. Percent change, the old value, the new value, and here's the formula. New minus old divided by the absolute value of old times 100%. And the result is rounded to 2 decimal places. Now watch the built-in ABS function, the absolute value function, inside the percent change function. Without it, you would get wrong results if the old value was negative. And now let's send it to interactive mode and test how it works. So, percent change from 60 to 60. As we can see, the old value and the new value are just the same, so the percent change is 0. Let's check it out. Yeah, from 60 to 60, 0% change. Now let's use this function with the following values. From 100 to 120. Now the percent change is 20%. And now how about this? Percent change from 100 to 80. Here we have negative 20%. Okay, how about this? Percent change from 50 to negative 50. And what we get is negative 200%, because it's 100% down to 0, and then 100% from 0 to negative 50. Okay, how about this? Percent change from negative 20 to 20. It's 200%. Finally, let's check this one out. Percent change from negative 20 to negative 50. And here the change is negative 150%. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.